Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the Family Code of the Philippines. Sounds scary? Well, it doesn't have to be. Don't worry, it's not that bad. In fact, it's pretty straightforward once you break it down. I'll help you understand it step by step so you can see how it affects you and your family. So, what is the Family Code of the Philippines? It's a comprehensive set of laws that govern family relations in the country. Think of it as a set of rules for families in the Philippines. It covers everything from marriage to parental responsibilities. It talks about marriage, sharing things between husband and wife, and taking care of kids. It's designed to ensure that families function smoothly and fairly. It's like the instruction manual for families. Just like any manual, it helps you understand how things should work. First, let's talk about marriage. This is one of the most important aspects covered by the Family Code. The Family Code says marriage is a lifetime promise between a man and a woman. It's a commitment that comes with legal responsibilities. You have to be 18 years old to get married. This ensures that both parties are mature enough to make such a significant decision. If you're younger than 21, you need your parents' permission. This is to make sure that young couples have the support and guidance they need. Easy, right? Next, let's talk about sharing stuff, like money and houses. This is crucial for any married couple. There are 3 ways to do this: sharing everything, sharing only what you earn after getting married, or keeping everything separate. Each method has its own implications. If you share everything, all the things you owned before and after you got married are both of yours. This is called absolute community of property. If you only share what you earn after getting married, only the things you get after the wedding are shared. This is known as conjugal partnership of gains. And if you keep everything separate, well, everything is yours and everything is your spouse's. This is called complete separation of property. This is important to know, especially if you're planning to get married. Understanding these options can help you make informed decisions. Now let's talk about parents and kids. This is a crucial part of the Family Code. Parents need to take care of their kids, give them food and a place to live, and send them to school. These are basic responsibilities. Yes, this means parents get to choose which school their kids go to. They have the right to make decisions that they believe are in the best interest of their children. Last, let's talk about support. This is another key aspect of the Family Code. The Family Code says you need to help your family. This means providing for their basic needs. This means giving them food, a place to live, clothes, medicine, education, and a way to get around. It's about ensuring their well-being. You need to support not just your kids, but sometimes your spouse, parents, and even brothers and sisters. Family support extends beyond the immediate family. The Family Code is all about making sure families are fair and responsible. It sets the foundation for a harmonious family life. It might seem like a lot, but knowing these simple things can help you and your family navigate through life more smoothly. That's all for our quick look at the Family Code of the Philippines. We hope this breakdown made it easier to understand. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe for more simple videos about important things. Thanks for watching. See you next time.